How to fix if you didn't get password reset emails. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the sign in page and add your username or Hilton honors and click on forgot your info in here. After you click on forgot your info, you'll lead to this page here, and you'll forgot your info, add your username or Hilton honors and add your email and press on submit. Do this process. If it does not work the first time, you can redo it and then go to your email and reload your email as well. Here you'll find the points. If you don't find it here, you can simply on the left side click on more and go to your spam folder and check if it's in the spam folder. Sometimes it may go to spam folder as well. And if you don't find it here, what you can also do is wait for some time or click on the three dots at the top right and go to delete browsing data. Here, select cookies and other site data and cached images and files and press on delete data. Then you can reload the Gmail and you will find your reset password email. This is how to fix if you didn't get password reset email in Hilton. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.